A feature I am loving in Adobe Premiere 2025 is the project templates feature. Here you can create pre-made templates so that you don't have to relink all of your assets and recreate all of the subfolders and all of the work that you do the same every time. You can automate that and just have the structure built out in advance. So it's really helpful, but I spent a lot of time playing with it and I have a lot of templates that I do not want to keep and I want to delete. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete unwanted project templates. So first off, we're going to go to File and you're going to go to New and Project as if you're creating a new project. But we are not going to actually create a new project. What we want to do is go to this template dropdown, select it, and here we can see all of our different project templates. And what we want to do is open our templates folder. This is going to open the folder where the templates are stored on our computer. Here we are. Okay, so this is all the templates I have left. I have bad version. I want to delete that. I have delete me. I think I should delete that one too. And then I have tutorial template, the one I want to keep. You can also just navigate to this folder directly on your computer. Mine's on my C drive, but I don't always remember where everything is, so I think it's really easy to get to it straight from Premiere. And so now I'm going to select the templates that I no longer want and just hit delete on my keyboard. And now I can go back in and work and do my stuff and save what I need to save. And then the next time I need to make a new project, my dropdown will not have those other versions any longer. So it's really cleaned things up for me. There are a few built-in project templates that I kind of ignore for the most part, but anything that you add will be added to this list as well. And remember, if you want to delete one, go to Open Templates folder, and it's that easy. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you start using templates if you're making a lot of similar videos and you need the same assets and the same structure. It'll save you time, and it is a game changer. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in another video.